Hey YouTube, welcome to Inspected Gadgets. Today we're unboxing the latest Apple Watch. So join me and Sven in unboxing the Apple Watch Series 6. Okay, let's get on to it. Sven? Good boy. So we have here the Apple Watch Series 6. This is gold aluminum case with the pink sand band. Alright, as you can see. So that's the box. It's fairly small. It's pretty neat. So let's see what's inside. Okay, let's move that plastic over there. Okay, I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this tab here. Okay, some nice drawings inside the box. Then we have the band. It's a pink colored sport band, and then we have the we have the actual watch. Right. Let's see inside. Or maybe we open the band first. So it's a 40 mm. It's not actually for me, you know, although I like pink too. It's for my wife. She also likes pink. What do you open? Okay. So there's some sticker here or some tab here you could just pull. Yep, there you go. It's easy. And then you open it. Okay. There you go. That's the band. It has so I guess a short version for small and medium, and then a larger one which is a medium and large, and then you have that other part of the band. Okay, let's see that. Maybe it's for my eyes, so I'm just gonna use the short and medium, I suppose. So these are that. Okay, let's get that out of the way for now. And this one, let's take it out. Okay, and now we have the actual watch. Let's see, how does this open? Right, there you go. There's the watch. Put it there. Let's check that out a bit. Here's the, the stickers, the manual, I suppose, user guide. That there, and we have of course the magnetic cable for charging the phone. And as Apple said, they don't come with the actual charger anymore. Well, it's not a problem for me because I have that. I have quite a bit of that as well, but I don't know about others, but yeah. But maybe Apple's assuming that everyone has an iPhone charger, so yeah. But anyway, let's get onto the actual phone. So it comes with this nice also pink paper cover. It's not leather. It looks like leather in the beginning, but yeah. So that's how it looks like. Hope everyone can see. It's 40 mm. Okay. Is it too bright? No worries. Yep, and there you go, guys. The Apple Watch Series 6. You can see the circular LEDs over there. That's I believe the oxygen meter, at least the ones that's responsible for measuring your oxygen level in your blood. Okay, that's the usual thing. You have that. How does this work? You basically just snap this to here and snap it to there. And so there you have it. The Apple Watch Series 6. Thank you everyone for joining. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, Sven. Bye.